Now, I didn't know this. Almost all cosmic visitors like comets and asteroids come from within our solar system, not from some galaxy far, far away. And that's because it's very hard for a cosmic object to break away from a star's gravitational pull. Now, I know this because only the third interstellar object ever recorded has been in the news. 3I Atlas was spotted on 1st of July by NASA. Now, this comet-like object is racing towards the Sun at over 133,000 miles per hour. Before you ask, no, it poses no threat to Earth.
A titanic celestial object has ripped through the edge of our solar system. Hurling through space at a velocity that challenges belief, this is no ordinary asteroid, nor a regular orbiting rock. This is the largest, fastest, and only the third confirmed interstellar object ever recorded by humanity. The object was initially labeled as A11PL3Z, but later renamed to 3I Atlas, where 3I denotes its status as the third interstellar object detected.
3I Atlas was discovered on July 1st by the NASA-funded Atlas survey. It was discovered using their telescope at Rio Hurtado in Chile, and it was first detected as a speck of light moving relative to background stars. We collected a good amount of data, more than 100 observations. We know its trajectory fairly well. We know it came from outside the solar system. Right now it's inside the orbit of Jupiter and is headed for its closest pass to the Sun at the end of October. That's going to be barely inside the orbit of Mars, and then it's going to keep going on its way out of the solar system.
The first interstellar object ever seen from Earth was called OUMUAMUA. The name means scout in Hawaiian, chosen to honor the observatory in Hawaii that discovered it back in 2017. Following OUMUAMUA, the second confirmed interstellar comet was 2I Borisov, founded in 2019 by Crimean amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov. Now, a third interstellar visitor is on the path that will carry it deep into the solar system, passing just inside the orbit of Mars.
It's a rare opportunity, and as a scientific community, we want to collect as many data as possible to characterize this object and learn as much as we can.
According to Teddy Curetta, an assistant professor at Villanova University near Philadelphia, the 3I Atlas is moving at nearly 37 miles per second or 133,200 miles per hour. The researchers say the 3I Atlas could be around 3 billion years older than our 4.5 billion-year-old solar system, making it older than any other interstellar object ever observed.
From images, we also saw that this object is active, which means that around the nucleus there is some coma, which is an indication that this object is in fact a comet. Right now it's hard to say how big this object is because being active, the brightness that we see is partially due to the size of the object, but also it's partially due to the activity, and so we cannot really pinpoint the nucleus size directly. We have to better understand how active this object is, and then we can refine the size estimate and get a good idea.
A report by NASA says that 3I Atlas poses no threat to Earth and will remain at a distance of at least 1.6 astronomical units, which is about 150 million miles or 240 million kilometers.
This object comes nowhere close to the Earth. It's going to make a pass close-ish to Mars at about 30 million kilometers or roughly 20 million miles from the red planet, but nowhere close to the Earth. It's not going to make a major close approach to any of the planets. So no risk from this object, just a scientific opportunity.
3I Atlas is similar to OUMUAMUA, which created quite a buzz for its unique shape, which is unlike any other asteroid. A recent observation by Cornell University suggests the object may appear reddish, hinting at its ancient composition, likely formed from primordial matter in another star system billions of years ago. Several orbiters around the red planet may get the chance to image the object up close. As 3I Atlas speeds towards the inner solar system, scientists expect its cometary tail to grow, offering stunning visuals and deeper insight into its composition. Scientists believe this may be a comet, with telescopes around the world now locked on target and probes soon adjusting their gaze. The race to decipher this enigma is on.